Hi, welcome to another Tech Nexus video. Today, I will show you how to restore your iPhone, iPad or iPod from the recovery screen to working. You might need to do this if you are experiencing slowness or crashes on your Apple device. It may also be needed if you can't access your device at all. For example, you may have forgotten the passcode, or your device may actually be stuck on the recovery screen. If you are able to access your device, it is recommended that you back up any personal files you want to keep. The first step is to download the latest version of iTunes from the Apple website. I personally would choose to go with the direct download of iTunes, as the Microsoft Store one is less reliable in my opinion. Choose the correct download, depending on whether your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit. If you are not sure, download the 32-bit version, as this will also work on 64-bit computers. Once downloaded, open the file. Click Next. Select all the relevant boxes and click Install. Click Yes when the User Account Control prompt comes up. Click Finish. The next step is to put your device into recovery mode. If your device is already on this screen, skip this step. This depends on which device you own and will be shown now. iPhone 6s or earlier, including iPhone SE, 1st generation, iPod Touch, 6th generation, or earlier, and any iPad with a home button, plug the device into your computer and power it off. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Press and hold both the home and the power buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus and iPod Touch, 7th generation. Plug the device into your computer and power it off. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. iPhone 8 or later, including iPhone SE, 2nd generation, and any iPad without a home button, plug the device into your computer and power it off. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. The final step is to restore the software. The update option normally is the option people go for if their device is buggy. This will keep all personal files. The restore option, however, is the only option for people whose devices do not boot or have forgotten their passcode. Click all relevant agree and next boxes. The software will start downloading in the top right corner. Once this has downloaded, the restore process will automatically start. I chose to update my iPhone to keep all personal files. I will show you what happens if you choose the update option after this segment. If you chose the restore option, your Apple device will end up at the hello screen. Make sure to get your Apple ID, email and password at hand, as this will be required to complete setup. If you decide to update your Apple device instead of restore, you should be greeted with a screen asking you to type in your password. This can take a long time to complete, especially if you have a device with a lot of storage, like a 1TB iPhone 14 Pro for example. Your device should now be up and running again. If you have any issues, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.